Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you guys can follow along with at home. As always, the full written recipe and list of ingredients, they're down below in the description box. Also, while you're down there, if you want to join the family, just click that subscribe button and you'll get 2 new videos every week. Today's recipe is actually a British classic, but with my twist, it's very Americanized. We're going to be making birthday cake scones. They're absolutely delicious. They're chock full of rainbow sprinkles, perfect for any birthday party or any special occasion, or just a regular day. These scones are so good, you guys. If you want the recipe, stick around and we'll get started.
To get started, in a large bowl, we're gonna whisk together all of our dry ingredients. That's 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate smaller bowl, we're going to combine our wet ingredients. That's 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 large egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of cake batter extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I know this cake batter extract, it might be a little hard for you to get your hands on it. I found this at my local Walmart, but this is really what gives our scones the cake flavor that they have. Now to combine everything and make our dough for our scones, we're going to add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar to our dry mixture and give that a quick whisk. Then we're going to take 1/2 cup of unsalted butter that's been frozen that I've cut into cubes, and we're going to pinch this through the dough. Now we're going to add our last ingredient, that's 1/2 cup of rainbow sprinkles. Now we're going to combine our wet with our dry until everything is just combined and we get a nice drier dough. Now we're going to dump the dough out onto our counter that has been floured. We're going to give this a couple kneads, fold it a couple times just to create some nice layers, and then we're going to form this into a disc and cut our triangular shapes. By doing this, we're going to ensure that we have nice, fluffy, pull-apart scones. Now after we cut these out, we're going to place these on a baking sheet that either has parchment paper or a seal pat, and we're going to give them a brush with heavy whipping cream, and we're going to place these in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to chill while we preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After they finish chilling, we're going to bake these off for 15 to 17 minutes. I just whipped up a quick powdered sugar glaze that is powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract, and we're going to string this across our scones and let it harden and set up before we bite into these. And here's the final results. Now these are so gorgeous, you all, but they taste so good. They're so sweet. They're filled with sprinkles, which just makes everything so much more fun. I really hope you all give these a try. From my home to yours, enjoy.